Miss HR Diana, no? Ngayon na CEO ka na, how do you lead your team differently? Kasi you're an employee to employer.
How I lead my team?
Yes.
How my mentors lead me. Talagang kinapi ko yun. Kung ano man yung mga hindi ko nakitang, I mean, for improvement, yun yung inayos ko. Pero ang pinaka ginagawa ko to lead my team is to always let them see what I can see. Visionary rin kasi ako. CEO talaga should be a visionary.
Yes.
Yun yung pinapakita ko. So how I lead my team as well? By coaching. Balik tayo sa conversation. Ba't mo to ginagawa? Ano tong pangarap mo? Relationship. You cannot build an army if you don't have the biggest foundation of any relationship, and that is trust.
Yes.
So hindi ko hiningi yung trust kasi CEO ako. Pinagtrabahuan ko talaga. On their darkest days, I'm there. Kasi hindi maaalala ng tao mo kung ilang pizza pinakain mo. Pero maaalala nila yung panahong bigat na bigat sila, nandun ka ba? Iba kasi magtrabaho ang empleyadong minamahal.
Yes. And it's different from before na HR Diana. Ang laki na ng transformation din sa'yo. It's because you are improving yourself and lagi ka nagtitraining.
Yeah.
Oo. And sabi mo kanina, maraming nagtitraining pero hindi naman na-i-apply.
Kaya dapat pag may natutunan, may mga nagsusulat ngayon, natututo, lagyan mo ng timeline, paano mo to execute. Kasi execution will change the way you think, the way you act talaga. Execution is the name of the game. Kaya nakakalungkot na we are paying a lot of trainings, we are hearing a lot from others, yet there's no result. Kasi the biggest result that we can measure kung okay talaga tayo sa bangko, yung pera natin sa bangko, that will determine how great we are. Kasi results never lie. At that's number. Kaya kung tingin mo, magaling na ba ako, tignan natin yung bangko natin sabay-sabay. Okay, mababa pa. Hindi pa ako magaling. Trabaho. Hindi pa ako magaling, ayusin ko pa. So,
natuwa ako doon. Parang ang ganda lang ng sinabi mo na gano'n. Na parang, okay, wala pang pera, di ba? Kailangan pag sumikap. Karamihan kasi sa empleyado or yun nga, sa ibang tao, hindi lang naman employee to employee, employer, parang they stop. Pag nakita nila, ay nakakapagod na, ayoko na. So, ano mangyayari, di ba?
Kaya dapat the purpose is bigger than the agenda. The agenda of all business owner is money. Kaya tayo gumagawa ng negosyo, hindi tayo magiging hypocrite dyan. Talagang kaya tayo nagnegosyo para sa pera. Pero, purpose should be bigger than your agenda, and what's your main goal? Kasi yun yung bigger question ko sa akin. Pag namatay ako ngayon, anong sasabihin ng mga tao? Ano ba yung nagawa ko? Pagka namatay ako, alam mo yun, ang una nilang maalala yung impact na nagawa ko, na ikikwento nila, hindi lang yung puro pera lang yung nagawa, alam mo yun, but the legacy that we built.
And also kanina nasabi mo, kailangan may goal, papunta dun sa goal. Karamihan nag-goal, pero they are not intentional.
Yeah.
Kailangan intentional ka to get the goal.
Exactly. And you need to make sure that you have proper timeline. Because goal without a timeline is what? A dream na walang basis kung mangyayari. Kaya pag may goal lang isang company and even you have a goal, lagyan mo ng time frame para mas makita mo how will you work on it.